Guys, we are live with Tier 1 number 4. First random team. Good luck. Straight from the mailer. Can you guys hear okay? Cord, can you hear? Want to make sure everybody can hear. There was no volume for a while, yes. How about volume now? Should be volume now, right? Running right now. Somebody confirm that there's volume now, please. Chris, this is, yeah. Cool, run it. Chat's not updating properly, but here we go. Obviously, we'll do a recap. Good luck. Chat is not updating, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm going to refresh the feed on my end, see if the chat starts working. There we go. Just so you know I just said it twice, but the chat I can't see right. So every so often I'm going to have to scroll the chat down. Anybody know where the relic has been? I don't want to... Has the relic been on top? Because obviously we want to do the relic first, but I don't know. Looks like the relic might be in the middle. For the Rays, I think? Rays, Brandon Lowe. Brandon Lowe for the Rays. Relic. Nice relic to get, for sure. Cody Bellinger. Just smashing right now. Completely smashing. Cody Bellinger. Dodgers. Rays were... wow, the list didn't go in alphabetical order. Dodgers are Adam. Rays must be a combo. They're Steve. Sorry about that. And a New York Yankee. That's your Tier 1 talent autograph. Tier 1 talent autograph. Didi Gregorius, New York Yankees. I heard Truex was happy about the random. I'm going to guess he got... Oh, there it is. Truex got the Yankees. Nice little hit there for you, bud. A Didi auto. No, I won't take this long to do every box. We got the PYT's almost full. We had 3 or 4 teams left. So, will it be a Phillies auto? No, Mariners. Segura goes with the Mariners still. Mariners is Neil. Neil, nice hit. Segura's having one hell of a year again. Dude just knows how to get on base. For the Phils, who is definitely a combo. That's a sick patch. 25/25. Aaron Nola. 3-color. Well, 4. Old school red, new school red, gray, and white. Nice hit. Patch. Aaron Nola. Phillies were a combo. Vince. Nice one. And this is sick. Christian Yelich to 240 for the Brewers. Everybody wants the Brewers, man. In the Vincente, you got the Yelich. It's a nice superstar auto to get when you numbered to 240. Usually the Trouts are like, out of 30 or something. That's not on the card. That's just the sleeve. Adam. List is up. Let me see here. Adam, you got Blue Jays, yeah. Yep. Yep, you got the Blue Jays. First up, another team we already had, but Kyle Seager out of 299. Looks like they stepped their game up a little bit for Tier 1 this year. I'm just going to throw that out there. I looked at the hits from the 3 breaks last night, and it definitely looks like they stepped it up a little bit. Mariners are Neil. Nice hit again. Kyle Seager to 299. Yankees again. Dylan Betances to 275. You got a little schmegma on the card down there, just so you know. Truex got the Betances relic. And for the Brewers again, Jesus Aguilar to 240. Jesus Aguilar to 240. Brewers are Vincente. First up for the Royals, Ryan O'Hearn. Ryan O'Hearn. Royals, I think, were also a combo. That's going out to Phil. The combo mojo. Look at that broken-ass top loader. How about that? Right out of the pack. Destroyed top loader. Relic going out to the Astros. Jose Altuve. Ryan Van Hook. Gonna have to grab more 130s. I didn't know all the relics were this thick this year. Astros. And for the Rockies, nice one. Guy had an amazing year last year. Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. Rockies are definitely a combo, and that's going out to AP. Nice hit, AP. Charlie Blackmon. Dodgers is Adam Campbell. Yep, 2 different Adams. First hit's going to be for the Blue Jays in this box. Rowdy Tellez. Blue Jays, that's you, Adam. Nice hit. For your Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts. Xander Bogaerts going to the Red Sox. That's going to be Danny White. Xander napkin. And it looks like a relic auto. It's a nice one. Team we already hit, but that's okay. George Springer out of 40. Excuse me. George Springer out of 40. Astros were Ryan Van Hook. Nice hit. George Springer relic auto. It's not a bad one at all, I'll tell you that.
Hey, I'm going to get Ryan.
Yep.
You just need to update the list.
How many teams left?
2, I believe.
Okay. 2 teams left in the next PYT, guys.
There were 4 teams left. 2 people claimed them, so you just have to update those 2, and then whoever takes last.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. Truax, you got lucky with those Yankees. They have a ton of hits. Ton of hits. Chance Adams. Chance Adams auto. Truex. Also for the Yankees, Legends relic out of 175. Cheetah Rodriguez. Cheetah Rodriguez. Hey, Rod. And going out to the Mets, Jacob deGrom. Sick hit. Mets are Alan Grove. Nice hit, Alan. Cy Young Award winner. Most recent Cy Young Award winner. Halfway. I wish good luck to everyone. Looks like we got a double relic box. First hit. Royals again. Brad Keller. Phil. Phil's got the Royals. Brad Keller. First relic card. Single relic, Trey Turner. Trey Turner. Nationals. Vincente has the Nationals. Second relic card. Evan Longoria for the Giants. San Francisco Giants. Going to AP. And going to the Red Sox. Out of 240, Jim Rice. Jim Rice. Red Sox second hit. Danny White. Nice one. Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer, Jim Rice. Took him a couple extra years, but he made it. There's 2 teams left in the PYT, guys. We can run that right away. Another double relic box. First auto. Just checking the team. Who has them? I think AP has this team. Andrew Phillips. Byron Buxton out of 150. Is that the Tier 1 autograph? I think that's the case hit. Is that the Tier 1 auto? Oh no, Prime Performers. Prime Performers, different autograph set. AP, you got a Buxton. Going to the Indians. Francisco Lindor. Also going to AP. Lindor. Second relic card. Also going to the Yankees. Masahiro Tanaka going to Truex. Grabbing some 130s. And your next autograph going out to the Colorado Rockies. Trevor Story. Trevor Story going to the Rockies. Also going to Andrew Phillips. Andrew Phillips. Getting all the hits. Haven't hit a monster yet. Let's go. Wow, this knife's getting dry. Looks like we got a redemption card. First hit. Nice one. Haven't seen this guy in a while. David Justice. And of course it's in a Yankee uniform. Wow. Truex. Getting your money's worth. That's one hell of a break, man. Did Hollywood shave? Dodgers. Kershaw. Adam Campbell. Kershaw napkin. Hardcore napkin. Straight white dinner napkin. All right. Here's your redemption. Chris Davis for the A's. For the A's. Everybody wants the A's. I don't know why. John Hayes. John Hayes. Nice hit. No, Jesse. Just me breaking. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got one, guys. We got one. We got one. We got one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Francisco Arcia to the Angels. Francisco Arcia to the Angels. Angels are Vince. Guys, we got one. Scott Kingery. Phillies. Phillies. Phillies are AP. Oh my God. Andrew Phillips. Andrew! Jesus! Will Clark. Bat knob auto. Yep. Yep, that just happened. Wow. Congrats, AP. You did it again. Nick, I've pulled people like, I don't know, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollar cards and never, ever gotten a tip. But whatever. Rich do get richer. Crazy. Crazy. For the Rays, is that the Tier 1 auto? Nope, breakout. Austin Meadows to 25, going to the Rays. Steve Carter. Austin Meadows, Copper Ink auto. Gary Sanchez for Bat Relic. Going to Truex. And that's your Tier 1 autograph. Out of 10, Silver Ink. Frank Thomas. Frank Thomas. Let's see if this will go. These. Wow. Doesn't want to fit in there. Doesn't want to fit in there either. Gonna put it in top loader, guys. It won't fit in too small and then too big. Last thing we want is the card to get damaged in any way. One box left. Congrats, AP. How about that? For Toronto Blue Jays, Lourdes Gurriel Jr. to 250. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. Tier 1 relic. Eddie Rosario, Twins. Eddie Rosario for the Twinkies. AP. Might as well be, right? For the Astros, JD Martinez. I'm sorry. He was on the Astros. It's a Red Sox card. I'm an idiot. Danny White. Sorry about that, guys. He was on the Astros, right? Back in the day. Tigers, Astros. I'm an idiot. Jose Ramirez for the Indians out of 25. Copper ink. For the Indians, and that's AP as well. AP, you killed it. You absolutely killed it. Recap coming up. Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. Jose Altuve for the Astros. Ryan O'Hearn for the Royals. Jesus Aguilar for the Brewers. Dylan Betances for the Yanks. Seager for the Mariners. Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Gene Segura, Mariners uniform. Didi Gregorius, Yankees. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. Brandon Lowe for the Rays. Trevor Story for the Rockies. Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Jim Rice for the Red Sox. Evan Longoria for the Giants. Trey Turner for the Nats. Brad Keller for the Royals. DeGrom, Mets. Unreal. A-Rod Legends for the Yanks. Chance Adams for the Yankees. George Springer for the Astros. Xander for the Red Sox. Rowdy Tellez for the Blue Jays. Jose Ramirez for the Indians. JD Martinez for the Red Sox. Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. Frank Thomas, Tier 1 auto for the White Sox. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Chase Utley, Scott Kingery for the Phillies. Arcia for the Angels. Chris Davis for the A's. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Dave Justice for the Yanks. Austin Meadows for the Rays. And Will Clark, San Francisco Giants. Amazing card. That's amazing. That's for some of the shit bat knobs out there. That's just amazing. Thanks, guys. We're gonna try to get the next break finished and posted and run.